For centuries, people have described Odisha as the land where devotion does not merely live in temples, it walks among the people. Every year, as the monsoon clouds gather over Puri, a remarkable process begins long before the first wheel turns on the Bardhan. What many devotees don't realize is that the festival starts months earlier, deep inside Odisha's forests. Special timber is carefully sourced from districts like Nayagar and Khurda, and every year the three colossal chariots are built anew. Imagine this. Hundreds of skilled artisans, carpenters, blacksmiths, sculptors, painters and tailors work together to create these moving temples from scratch. Nearly 200 craftsmen dedicate themselves to a tradition that has survived for centuries. The construction begins on Akshaya Tritiya, a day considered eternally auspicious. Each one has its own identity, personality and symbolism. The first is Tal Dhwaj, the majestic chariot of Lord Balabhadra. Rising to a height of over 13 meters and supported by 14 wheels, it is draped in vibrant red and green. 4 black horses, Tibra, Ghor, Dirghasram and Swarnana symbolically pull the chariot forward. Then comes Darpadalan, the chariot of goddess Subhadra, wrapped in striking red and black cloth. With 12 wheels and red horses named Rochika, Mochika, Jita and Aprajita, it represents the power that humbles pride itself.
Finally stands Nandi Ghosh, the grandest of all. Lord Jagannath's chariot towers at nearly 13.5 meters and rolls on 16 massive wheels. 4 white horses, Shankh, Balahak, Shwet and Haridas lead the way, while its brilliant red and yellow canopy shines like a moving sunrise.
Perhaps the most emotional moment of the Rath Yatra is the Pohanra, as drums thunder and chants fill the air. Lord Jagannath, Balabhadra and Subhadra emerge from the temple, swaying forward as if dancing among their devotees. In that moment, millions feel a personal connection with the Lord.
Jai Jagannath!
Soon after comes the sacred ritual of Chera Pohanra. The Gajapati Maharaj of Puri, despite being a king, takes a golden broom and sweeps the chariots. It is a powerful reminder that before the divine, everyone is equal. Then comes the moment everyone awaits, the pulling of the chariots. Thousands of hands grasp the same ropes. Rich and poor, locals and visitors, all become part of one shared journey as the massive chariots roll towards the Gundicha temple. Today, Rath Yatra is celebrated across the world, yet millions still come to Puri to witness the original festival. Because here, the gods leave their temple, kings become servants, strangers unite as one, and faith itself takes to the streets. The Rath Yatra is more than a festival. It is a reminder that the divine journey is meant for everyone.